Everything in life is creamy. Damn.
Chui, go to the garden.
Seriously? Whatever. Have fun, Granny. That day was something. Grandma dragged me in, and the park nearly dragged me out. No way I'm getting on that thing. They're barely holding on.
Oh my, that's way too fast.
Yeah, I'll pass. Let's try the roller coaster instead. Why is it fast already? This ain't good. Grandma, it's gonna fall, isn't it?
Hold your fur, sweetie.
We're going down. Grandma, do something.
I told you to eat light.
Finally. Peace. Grandma, can I stand and look from up there?
Go ahead, little one.
Whoa, it's beautiful up here. That's way too dim. And that flicker? Something's fishy, I bet. I can fix it. Nope, too short. I need backup. A ladder. There we go. What could possibly go wrong? Damn, this thing hates me. Wait, electricity only travels through things that conduct it. So, if I wear rubber gloves, I won't get zapped.
Chui, what did you do now?